Every day, your school helps children learn and develop as individuals. But what happens before or after the bell rings? We know children need to feel safe, to form friendships and explore, with a hunger to try something new. This is where Sherpa Kids can help. We offer professional and reliable outside school hours care, helping families and schools balance their life and work. We match our programme to meet your needs, adopting your school's curriculum, vision and values. We handle the administration, staffing and all the paperwork, letting teachers focus on what they do best. Our programmes are regulated under the Ofsted framework for peace of mind. And most importantly, we offer fun and engaging activities to help children enhance their skills and grow their imagination and reach their highest potential. Partner with Sherpa Kids today and raise your school community to new heights. Find out more at www.sherpakids.co.uk.